And now we have valve on its place. It's installed. The installation wasn't very hard. Only little mistake I did was that I tightened these two bolts that keeps the valve in body, and I needed to lose them because this pipe right rear didn't go to valve, so I needed to lose two bolts, and then it was easy to put this right rear pipe to valve. And one very important thing after installing the new valve is to as often as possible to do like this, that it doesn't go to stuck. It's very important, and only maintenance after the replacing new valve. Of course, new brake fluids after 2 years is very important also. And now when car is lift, this is down position, this valve, and when we put a car on the floor, it goes like this, little bit up, and when driving and gets to springs go to down, then valve goes like this very high, and it moves here with driving.